What's happening, guys? How's everybody doing today? So we are getting ready to put the Ford rear end in my car right today. They're gonna start removing this and installing the solid mounts. My dad is gonna start working on it right now. Some soap, okay. My little Yannick is with me today. Скажи привет, Yannick, скажи привет. Скажи привет, скажи привет. He said hi. He's asking me to turn on some multiki for him, like some kids cartoons, but I told him no. Da, soap is right there. Hold on. Okay, we got some solid mounts for the what do you call it? Subframe solid mounts. This is the mounts for the rear end, and this is the bushings for the differential right here. This is just all the bolts right there for the mounts. This mounts right here, this is how it looks like for the subframe. One second, guys. This is the solid mounts for the subframe. So we're gonna start installing everything, and we already ordered the differential itself. Another differential. We already ordered the drive shaft, custom drive shaft. I asked Mike at SLG, the one that you buy, you can buy the Ford full kit, the Ford 8.8 rear end kit, but I got a lot of stuff from there except a few things. I ordered custom one, and he sent me all the numbers, the sizes and everything. If you guys want to find out, call him and let him know. Ask him if you have any questions. They have a really good kit, and the price is actually pretty decent. I collected all the parts myself. We already installed the LSD inside. I already posted a video before. Look. See? It's already moving in there. So we got everything ready. And all we gotta do is put it on the lift, and he will start removing it soon. And battery is charging right now. And also, my dad started fixing the handle right here. He's installing everything so we can have a handle right here. Finally, this one was already finished. Now just that one left. Не бойся, дядька не будет. Угу.
Она подвязывает телефон?
А?
Телефон подвязывает?
Не. Это для YouTube, у меня YouTube. Alright, guys, so he's burning it up. We're gonna burn it up and remove it. Remove the rubber from here. Yannick, you're helping out? Burning off works really hard to burn it off.
Еще у нас там где-то есть.
Доставать надо его всего.
Заржавело, что мама не горюй, Сань.
Так оно просто из этого будет подходить, да? Из-за того, что это будет.
Ну не знаю.
Wow, he did it. He did it. Right there. Piece of garbage, guys. This thing is really hard to remove. And he went to Papa. А ты где был, пап? Где ты приезжал? Those guys basically the machine shop, and they didn't even want to do the stuff, so we had to do it ourselves. Not easy, but it's gonna worth it.
Okay, let's see.
So it's already recording now.
Чисто советский вариант.
Аккуратно,
Саня, чисто советский вариант.
Вот, Alright, guys, I just came and pick up the drive shaft. I didn't go to work yet. I was supposed to go to the work, but I just wanted to pick up the drive shaft because they called me that it's finished already. Check out the drive shaft, guys. Wow. that's how it is. And they told me that they never had anybody broke the drive shaft, and I asked them if it's gonna be good for 1,000 horsepower, and they said, well, we haven't had it broken yet. They make drive shaft for race cars, drag cars, and like all kinds of cars. This is exactly what they made. I actually put all the numbers what Michael at Sims Legit Garage told me. Thank you, Mike, by the way, I really appreciate it. He told me all, like whatever needs to be done to make this right, and they made me exactly what Michael told me to do, and this is what it is. It's pretty good, pretty good. I don't know, we gotta check it out. If we have to remove this piece and put this on an adapter right there, yeah, I think so. Yeah, I think we have to remove this. Yeah, I think we have to remove this piece right here and put this on. Yep, I'm pretty sure. By the way, guys, did you know that this Ford rear end is all paid up? Pretty much everything paid by Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, the crypto, the altcoin. Yes, this rear end is paid by Shiba Inu, pretty much the whole thing.
Очень было.
Да? Угу. Которая была перед этим, да?
Да я горячая, мэн.
Да. He said it's hot. Next one now. Да, пошла. Да, все сильно. This one is in perfectly. Now we're gonna heat it up this time. We're gonna heat it up and make sure it goes in more nicer. Да, хорошо идет. Ага. That was much easier.
Дырки совпадают, малый. Так, а что вот это такое?
Okay, now we got the rear end in. Not we, they got the rear end in. The subframe in. It's not. Все, пошло. Да. Сейчас, подожди. Давай еще.
No, I'm lighting this.
Стой, ребят, подождите.
Я пошибаю.
Чуть вверх, либо...
By the way, I wanted to appreciate Mike in IDX. He helped me so much. He showed me how to do this kind of stuff, and this is his kit, his mount kit. Everything is perfect. Everything fits amazingly. Now we gotta drill some holes right here and put this inside, and that's it.
Мама, не горюй. Димон.
He called him a bitch guy. He called him a bitch guy.
We'll just go. Alright guys, so we used AMS oil, gear oil, and now this is how we put the car back. My camera broken, so I couldn't show you guys. This is how it looks over there, where the drive shaft connects, and just G-force axles, just to see how it looks. And this is how it is finished, pretty much. Looks amazing. Look how good it looks. Everything looks complete and nice. over it quickly. Alright guys, we just fixed my camera. Something happened with my camera. I couldn't freaking record how we finished the car. I couldn't record how we put everything together. I'm gonna show you guys how everything looks right now. But something happened with my camera. It fell down like this high and it broke, so I had to give the camera to fix. It took us about freaking 1.5 months. Sorry about not posting the videos. I should have let you guys know. But anyways, I'm gonna raise the car up. Oh, by the way, we put it on 28s as well. Woo! We put it on 28s now, baby. We got it on 28s. And I'm gonna show you guys how the setup, the Ford 8.8 rear end looks like on a car finished up all perfectly or neatly. And thanks to my dad and my brother Dimitri, my dad Victor, he did most of the work. I'm gonna show you guys how cool it looks now. There's a few custom things we had to do, like the exhaust, the VRSF exhaust was touching, but it wasn't too much problem. We had to use some kind of spacers, kind of ghetto spacers, but it's okay. Everything works perfectly now. Car runs amazing. I'm gonna put fresh methanol later on, and we're gonna drive it to the shop to put the windows in, and we're gonna start racing. But let me show you guys how the rear end looks in the car finished up. Woo! Let's put some safety on. I painted the rear end. Let me shut up the car, hold on. I love the smell of ethanol, of the race ethanol. Let me show you guys without the sound, without all these sounds, how the car looks like, how the rear end looks like underneath. Alright, so I painted the Ford rear end thing. All the axles are inside, all the metal bushings, everything looks perfect. The axles looks amazing. Man, I'm so excited, guys. So happy. This is like a real race car now. This is like a real race car now, baby. The one piece rear end is right there. It's hiding under there, so we had to freaking use some kind of special spacers for exhaust because it didn't work. But everything else, it looks good. One piece rear end. I'll took some pictures for you guys to see. But everything's in the car now. Everything's looking amazing. Everything is looking good. I use this piece right here. Whoever knows about racing, a lot of air getting caught in this rear bumper right here. So I used my exhaust piece that used to be here. I straightened it out and put it like this, so it wouldn't catch the air as much as it used to be. But anyways, guys, this is how good it looks. I'm gonna attach some pictures when we were putting it together, just to show you guys. Man, this car looks amazing, guys. I really want to go to quarter mile now. Woo! I also did the alignment, because we had the drag alignment before, zero camber alignment. So I went back to Nazar's shop, Nazar Fetchuk. I've been to his shop before. I used to race him with the GTR and a few other cars before. I have videos on my channel. He used to have a twin turbo Mustang as well. I raced him as well. But anyways, when I was stock turbo back in the day. But anyways, so we got the alignment. We put the alignment perfect. It wasn't off too much, but I wanted to do it perfectly. Man, this thing looks so sexy, guys. Oh man, I love this car so much, guys. I love this car so much. Oh, it's so sexy. Damn, I don't know how to explain to you guys, but this is my hobby right here. I love doing this stuff. It brought me a lot of customers and a lot of people that I met through this car. A lot of cool people that helped me out in life, and I got a lot of customers just from this car. Man, I'm so excited to be back. We gotta put the windows back in. Well, we're not gonna put the windows back in. We're gonna be using the Lexan windows, and we're gonna have a special metal piece going this way, then going this way, so I can attach my window like a race car does. Let me show you guys the Lexan windows that I was doing right here. So I'm gonna have a guy do it for me. We're gonna put the windows in, and the car is finished. I don't want to freaking put. I don't know if I'm gonna put rear Lexan windows. We'll see. I don't want to waste time anymore on this car because I'm in the process of buying the house, so it takes too much time and money. I just want to finish it and go to the quarter mile. I don't know if I'm dirty, guys. I don't know if I'm dirty. Sorry if I am, but I want to go to the quarter mile and have fun already, race some cars. I don't want to spend no more time on this car. I just want to race it as is, trying to get a 9-second pass and a 4-second 60 to 130. I don't know if we're gonna be able to do it, but we're gonna try. All right, guys. See you later. Sorry for not posting the videos. I'm so sorry about that. From now on, we're gonna be posting videos. Let's go.